Thomas, if you want, mango. But I try for St. Thomas. They better come look.
This is Ashabash representing for Sandy and Bones. More the people them just tune in right now. Like and subscribe on them channel. Seeing this is a brand new release from.
I'm not going up there. I'm tired of them. Let them go. My barn and brother for that. I don't have to go to St. Thomas. My sister and my brother them couldn't give a shit if I come up there or not. So if I don't come, I can't. All who wants to come look for me is one Fred Road. I'm not coming up there. Yeah, man. Too much. Well, I look for Auntie Chicha, Auntie Jasmine, my red sister them. Yeah. But boy, all my brother I go look forward there, Johnstone. But I can't find out them road, man. So. Sometimes I pity them tired of me and me tired of them. So I'm tired of St. Thomas. So no leave me alone. Right now I'm tired of all my but I have to live with myself. I too much chatting now. I talk to somebody and them end the life. Crazy never lazy. One queen in the deck. Cheryl, what's going on? For real. Yeah, tell Andrew. No, Andrew no same time I'm coming and come look for me already. Them know them listen, me run down my family, you know, so if you stop run them down, and them for run time, you know, them not to say them are celebrity family. Them for run me down and idolize me and praise me and give me my love. Cause me used to run them down. I come to Jamaica, I go to the whole 14 parishes, go look for whom I look for. No, I not look for a mama bomber clot. Where? When you come look for me. Oh, my mother alone me I look for. If my friend reaching up by chance, I'm not lucky. I don't run down nobody. I don't know run down me. I want to know. I don't know, my stamp up the blood clot world phone now. I'm not supposed to congratulate me every blood clot day. Somebody supposed to call me for my family. I said, Queenie, keep on the faith, move on the blood clot and leave me alone. Come look for him. Where? You know much blood clot time I cuss and ball out the like all year one on the voice. But no one blackmail me say, oh, your sister they are foreigner. Me no own no blood clot body no more than my immediate family. I mean not owe them nothing blood clot either, cause everybody begin to do them own thing. But if my blood clot, I don't know where me a hot girl. No call me no words, no move on the dirty blood clot. Me not come look for none of you know. I'm glad I said that to that's what some of them blood clots. God bless my mother. Auntie Chichi. You know what generation me have? Left, right, and blood. Someone eat up on blood clot Instagram and I watch me and shame me. No move on the dirty blood clot. I'm not being a hypocrite. No. Me not come up for the cast. At the end of the somebody. Another one here? Yeah. No, Andrew, come look for me, man. You see with Andrew, my brother them understand, you know. You see me go look for my brother them, I'm gonna give them nothing, them not care. You see me give them something, them not care. Them just want know so them see me. You see me come to Jamaica, I'm gonna go look for them not care either. Cause them know I love them. But you see the little sideburner blood clot, that's the blood clot family them. But sit down and chat man with them alive. And I wanna go. I'm me fucking famous. I'm me stand up proud in on the blood clot family. One of the take me for blood clot black apple. You know what trying to treat me bad when me are going to think me no member. When you think me no member or no. Not fun now, shame I'm on shame me on the blood clot self. One of the see my growth. Family. Doesn't make a fucking difference. People will always be fucking people. When I look for none of them, it's truth. As me come make sure I find my mother. She pissed me out. My loyalty is to her. No blood clot generation, me not care about. Move on the dirty blood clot. I'm not trying to depend this and disgrace myself. No, I don't even make one blood clot difference. She said, Queenie, you know I love you, my cousin. You know, move on the blood clot. And where? grudge me to my famous and now mine, you know. My famous blood clot money is for me. You understand? I want to buy one Bentley. I want West car carrying. Very fucking stupid car. Long blood. Right name? Long blood lean. Long blood, whatever the fucking car name. And go ahead. You know, I'm trying to chat me on the fucking little bit. And I sit down. All one of my cousins there out in England, they tell me when I chat me the first time. And I said, oh, class. A long time my family had done me. I start a long time. And I go, me now, come look for now. And I eat up and chat blood clot me enough time. So one day, my son and my cousin one boy, I said, man, your cousin link up and really blah, blah. Yeah, come look for me like me that beg a blood clot for me. Not beg none of the blood clot for me. I don't acknowledge me. I'm not acknowledging I'm awful and terrible. I love my blood clot self. So I'm reserving on myself. So when I got to blood clot from I feel like son I can't sidestep blood clot. I'm like, what? Me hide from one. I'm afraid of uno. Blood clot. I don't give a fuck. When I call no name, so who the blood clot cap fit, it can no family man for anybody feel some type of way. When I'm guilty. And you come on my wedding, you know. You see Ernest, you see them, you see my sister, Lover, Vyra, Idris. Oh. Alessandro, you see a blood clot England, and my father picked me there. But you see the little sidetrack blood clot generation, them. I never found a chat blood clot, me. A long time I throw it pound, and I wonder which one on me attack. I pay, but now I couldn't know which one. No producer not getting no money yet. May I talk about the money I want that me. Give me an eye roll, but you can't give me a right hand. Do it. Alright, do it. What you want me to say then? Oh, sorry man, that you me not realize you know me do it, man. Alright, I hope you never say about nothing because I not say about. I not say about nothing. When a bad man, I choose my son celebrity. I don't think I go through the fucking worst, but I pass the fucking worst. All who never want to give me none of them blood clot conflicts, remember, go ahead. Having the food in and a party. I remember, I don't make a class in a dirty blood. And I have to watch me on TV. I know some man on a blood fire now, the blood clot divide and turn in the back. Where? God bless my mother. You see, steal a bit of them. Either I hear my steal of them. If I go far, I'm go on 10 blood clots, I have on 10 truth, and that's your 10 million blood clot dollar. I'm going to go back right there so now. The one of them wash my blood clot foot and drink the water. Yeah. Them set a brother and sister. I can't tell you that. As me telling you, them not hear from a 10 blood clot years I'm going to come back. Nothing no be the fucking, nothing no change. That's loyalty. But so I want to see my pants Instagram, my ball. I want to see do it to me. Move on the blood clot. My girl come here. No fun I get blood clot this. I said no fun I get blood clot this in my family. No big and red out here. No for blood clot in the man take for blood clot. Men kill it for myself. Where? You can't deny me because my blood finding down and move on the dirty blood clot.